Hi friends, welcome to Craft Magic. Today I am going to show you how to make beautiful flowers using satin ribbon. Here I have taken two color satin ribbons and the width of the satin ribbon is almost 2 inches. Using a ruler, mark 7 cm on the ribbon and cut the piece of ribbon with length 7 cm. Similarly, cut 18 pieces of ribbon. I have cut 18 pieces of ribbon. You have to take 9 pieces to make the first set of petals. To make the petal, take a single piece of ribbon and fold the ribbon from the corners as I am doing. After folding, you have to stick the edges of the ribbon using glue. Stick the ribbon like this. Now this is the back part of the ribbon. Again take the front side of the ribbon and same way from the corners fold the ribbon and stick the ribbon at the edges. This is how a single petal looks. Now you have to stick the remaining pieces of ribbon like this. I have made all the petals. Next step is to stick the petals together. Take the back side of the ribbon, apply glue on the ribbon and start to stick the next petal. So when you are taking the next petal and sticking on to this petal, you have to take the back side. Same way stick the remaining 9 petals. When you are sticking the ribbons together, keep in mind that you have to take the back side of the ribbon always. Using these petals, we will make the center part of the flower. To make the stem, I have taken broomstick here. Instead of broomstick, you can also use thick wires. Apply glue on the edges of the ribbon. Place the broomstick on the ribbon and start to roll the broomstick along with the ribbon. When you are rolling the broomstick and sticking the ribbon onto the broomstick, you have to roll it very tightly, otherwise you won't get perfect shaped flowers. So you can see the center part of the rose is almost ready. Again you have to repeat the same procedure with the remaining 9 pieces of ribbon. The second set of petals is also ready. Next we will stick these petals onto the flower. Apply glue on the edges of the ribbon and place the center part of the flower on the ribbon. And slowly roll the ribbon onto the flower. Flower is almost ready. Use green color floral tape to cover the broomstick. I have these artificial leaves with me, so I am going to stick these leaves onto the stem. If you don't have these type of leaves, you can make the leaves using colored paper or crepe paper. I have made 7 big roses and 3 small roses. These 3 small roses I made using 9 pieces of ribbon. To arrange the flowers, I have taken an old unused teacup. One by one, we will arrange the flowers in the cup. I have these small artificial flowers with me. I have kept this aside while I was discarding some old flowers. So I thought of using it for any craft work. Now we will fill the gap in the arrangement using these small fillers. Beautiful satin ribbon flowers are ready now.